Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change server in MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 server refers to trading software provided by a broker where all trading operations are executed. To change server in MetaTrader 5, you need to first open your MetaTrader 5 application on your device. Then here you'll be taken to code section. Now tap on the three lines present on the top left. After this, tap on Manage Accounts. To change server, you need to first find a broker. Now here you can see a plus sign present on the top. Tap on the plus sign. Now here you need to find a specific broker. You can tap on the search bar and then you can look for the broker that you want. Then tap on the specific broker. With this, now here you'll be taken to login page. Now here you can see the server option. Tap on the given server, then select a specific server. After this, you can enter your login details, then tap on login option and log in. This is how we can change server in MetaTrader 5. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.